If you're getting the Epic Games error code IS-IN-FC03, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the easiest fixes step by step. This error usually shows up when a game won't install, won't resume properly, or keeps failing because of a corrupted file, a cache issue, a drive problem, or even a network-related glitch. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is verify your game files in the Epic Games launcher. Open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game that is giving you the error, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Manage, and then click Verify. This tells Epic Games to check your installed files and repair anything that is missing or damaged. If the issue was caused by a bad or incomplete file, this step can often fix it right away. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the Epic Games launcher cache. First, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it is not just minimized, but fully closed, including from the system tray. Then press Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press Enter. In the folder that opens, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder, then open the saved folder. Inside there, find the web cache folder and delete it. This clears out temporary launcher data that can sometimes cause install and update problems. After that, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and try to download or install again. Now let's check for possible hard drive errors. Sometimes error IS-IN-FC03 can happen when the drive has file system issues or bad sectors. To test that, open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can do this by searching for Command Prompt, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as administrator. Then type CHKDSK/F/R and press Enter. Windows may ask to schedule the scan for the next restart, so type Y and restart your computer if needed. This scan can take a while, but it helps detect and repair disk problems that may be interfering with Epic Games. If you're still stuck, the issue may actually be network related. In some cases, certain ISP configurations can cause Epic Games to think a file is corrupted when the connection is actually the problem. A quick workaround is to temporarily use a VPN or switch to a mobile hotspot and then try resuming the download. This can help bypass connection issues and let the installer continue normally. Once the download works, you can switch back to your regular connection if you want. Another simple fix to try is repeated retries. If the installation keeps failing at the same percentage, just click retry several times. It sounds basic, but sometimes the launcher only needs a few extra attempts to push through a bad segment and continue the download. If you see the same spot failing over and over, combine this with the other steps in this video for the best chance of fixing it. So to recap, start by verifying your game files, then clear the launcher cache, check your hard drive for errors, try a VPN or hotspot, and finally use retry a few times if needed. One of these steps usually resolves the Epic Games error code IS-IN-FC03 and gets your game installing properly again. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and check out more troubleshooting guides on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.